Dear subscribers, today I will show you a screen recorder for Android device. So for doing this you just need to go to Play Store, open Play Store, and just go to search tab, and you need to write in search tab screen recorder. So let's wait until it will open our Play Market and just write in search screen. So here you can see screen recorder. So just open it and just click install. So you need to wait some time until it will successfully download it and install on your mobile phone, and you will open it on your device. So let's wait. So also you can see that it has good reviews and it has about 50 million downloads and also good reviews. It means that it's a really good application. So we will check this. So just click on open. Don't ask me again. So just click OK, allow, allow. So just click here, allow, yes, OK. Start now. So now, after you so just click here, and here you can see that it now starts recording. So also you can close this app, just go back, and also now it's recording. Here you can see X recorder is using microphone in the background. So also we will open it and just click on pause. So here you can see our video, so we will open it and check if it now starts recording. So also you can close this app, just go back, and also now it's so here you can see our video, so everything is working. So you also can save this video to your gallery and just share this video with someone, or just send somewhere. So everything works. So thanks for watching, have a nice day, subscribe to my channel, click like, and goodbye.